Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit, taking the orange concealer to cancel out my dark circles, then taking the Shape Tape concealer to apply that all over my eyelid and then blend it out with the Beauty Blender. Now I'm taking my Laura Mercier setting powder and set my concealer, then taking this orangey color, I'm going to define my crease and I'm going to go back and forth and blend it out. Now I'm taking this NYX Single Shimmer eyeshadow and only applying it in the center of my eyelid. After that, I'm taking this glitter from NYX and applying a small amount of glue on my eyelid before applying the glitter.